You're in for a treat today. We've got a historic barn built in the late 1800s, a fabulous workshop. Did I mention the sheep? I'm Sheldon Rosengarten, and this is Melanie Simpson, and we're with Marx-Bensdorf Realtors.
There's a lot of history here on these 3 acres. Along with the barn and the workshop, we have a farmhouse that was custom built in 1995 with much more to offer. Let's take a tour.
If you'd like additional information or want to schedule a private viewing, call either Melanie or me at 682-1868. Oh, there you go. Here you go.